Ferrari has revealed this new F1 car for 2022. And how about the red and black look to it? Look at this. I mean, how classic Ferrari is that?
With the Shell logo.
Give us a little back and forth on some of these images here. Look at that thing. Oh, dear God. Where every shape and every curve is so considered.
Yeah, and look at the vents on the side.
You know about downforce, Mo?
No, I don't.
You're going to need some.
Yeah, okay.
You want to travel like that, you're going to need some.
There's a Snapdragon ad there, too.
No, I didn't know. I don't follow a lot of F1. Maybe I should. Seems very fun. And all that stuff going down with Lewis Hamilton and whatnot. I mean, it seemed all very interesting. And I like cars. But anyway, apparently Ferrari hasn't been itself recently. Kind of been getting beat a little bit. And they're trying to put an end to that with this vehicle right here, F175. And I mean, obviously, I can't tell you whether or not that's going to happen, if they're going to put a beating on the rest of the F1 world, or if they just have something that looks absolutely amazing. Mm-hmm. But hopefully, like, look at those scoops on the side. What do you think's happening with that? You think that's for handling? You think that is for straight line speed? Look at the little bowls on each side of it.
Yeah, it's really cool looking.
You think that air can pile in there?
Yeah, I saw there was vents on the side when you go to the next few pictures.
How much does this weigh? Does it say?
It's light, man. It's light. It's powerful. You've never felt anything like it, Will. Let's see. Black front and rear wings, as well as black halo and black numbering on both the nose and the engine cover. The car also features a logo celebrating 75 years since the first Ferrari production car was released. Whoa. Drivers Carlos Sainz and Charles Leclerc were on hand for the launch event ahead of the season that will see both look to build on a year of momentum for Ferrari. Yeah, they bounced back in 2020. They bounced back from their worst campaign in 40 years. It's tough out there, man. It's very competitive. You got the Mercedes and so on out there. I think, Will, we're going to have to start paying attention, you and I.
All right.
That's it. We're F1 fans now, starting today.
All right.